6 species in genus Glossostigma. Glossostigma, a carpet of green in my aquarium. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm an avid aquarist. I've always been fascinated by the intricate world of aquatic plants, and one genus that has captured my attention is Glossostigma. These delicate plants, with their small, vibrant green leaves, have the remarkable ability to form a lush carpet across the aquarium floor, creating a stunning underwater landscape. What is Glossostigma? Glossostigma is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the family Phrymaceae. They are typically found in wet, marshy environments across the globe, from Australia and New Zealand to Asia and South America. These plants are characterized by their creeping growth habit and their ability to thrive completely submerged in water, making them a popular choice for aquariums. Species in Glossostigma. While the genus Glossostigma isn't overly large, it contains several distinct species, each with its own unique characteristics. Glossostigma elatinoides. This is perhaps the most popular species in the aquarium hobby. It is native to New Zealand and is prized for its small, round leaves and its ability to form a dense, verdant carpet. Plant FAQs. Glossostigma elatinoides. Glossostigma diandrum. This species is less common in aquariums, but is still a beautiful and rewarding plant to grow. It has slightly larger leaves than G. elatinoides and can tolerate a wider range of water conditions. Glossostigma chlysanthum. This species is native to Australia and is known for its delicate, almost translucent leaves. It is a more challenging plant to grow than the other species, but can be a stunning addition to a well-maintained aquarium. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My experience with Glossostigma. I've had the pleasure of growing Glossostigma elatinoides in my own aquarium, and I can attest to its beauty and resilience. It's a relatively easy plant to care for, provided you can meet its basic needs. Light. Glossostigma requires strong lighting to thrive. In my experience, high-output LED lights with a full spectrum are ideal. CO2. While not strictly necessary, CO2 injection can significantly enhance the growth rate and overall health of Glossostigma. I use a pressurized CO2 system with a diffuser to ensure my plants receive adequate carbon dioxide. Substrate. A nutrient-rich substrate is essential for Glossostigma. I use a specialized aqua soil that is designed to provide the necessary nutrients for healthy plant growth. Trimming. Regular trimming is necessary to maintain a neat and healthy carpet of Glossostigma. I use curved scissors to carefully trim the plants, ensuring they remain at a uniform height. The rewards of growing Glossostigma. Growing Glossostigma can be a rewarding experience for any aquarist. Not only does it create a visually stunning aquascape, but it also provides numerous benefits for the aquarium ecosystem. Oxygenation. Like all aquatic plants, Glossostigma produces oxygen during photosynthesis, which helps to maintain a healthy environment for fish and other aquatic life. Nutrient uptake. Glossostigma absorbs excess nutrients from the water column, helping to prevent algae growth and maintain water clarity. Shelter. The dense carpet of Glossostigma provides shelter and hiding places for small fish and invertebrates, creating a more natural and enriching environment. Challenges and troubleshooting. While Glossostigma is generally easy to care for, there can be challenges. Here are a few common issues and how I've addressed them. Algae growth. If algae starts to grow on the Glossostigma, it could indicate an imbalance in nutrients or lighting. I've found that regular water changes and ensuring proper CO2 levels can help prevent algae growth. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of nutrient deficiency, particularly iron. I use a liquid iron fertilizer to supplement the substrate and ensure my plants receive the necessary nutrients. Melting. If the Glossostigma starts to melt or die back, it could be due to sudden changes in water parameters or insufficient lighting. I recommend acclimating the plants slowly to new conditions and ensuring they receive adequate light. Conclusion. Glossostigma is a captivating genus of aquatic plants that can transform any aquarium into a breathtaking underwater world. With its vibrant green foliage and carpeting growth habit, it adds a touch of natural beauty and provides numerous benefits for the aquarium ecosystem. While there may be challenges along the way, the rewards of growing Glossostigma are well worth the effort. I encourage all aquarists to consider adding Glossostigma to their aquariums and experience the joy of cultivating this remarkable plant.